welcome back. I hope you guys are all doing amazing. In today's video, I will be reviewing the new Lakme Eyeconic eyeliner. This is an extension of their already existing iconic range, so they already have like a mascara and a kajal, and I'm pretty glad that they came out with liquid eyeliner as well. This is priced at rupees 250 for 4.5 ml, and this is what the packaging looks like. You twist it open and you get this beautiful fine tip that I just got so excited about. I think that's my favorite part about this eyeliner, and the eyeliner itself I feel like is gel eyeliner in liquid form. It is very opaque. I love that it applies non-patchy. Just one dip of the product gives you a lot of product into the fine tip, and because this fine tip is so small and so defined and skinny, you can do so much with it. You can go as close to the lash line, or you can create like really defined looks using it. And once it sets extremely matte, black and opaque, and when you layer it on as well, it does not really go flaky or anything. And I love how smudge proof this is. You can keep rubbing it and nothing really happens, and when you do remove it at the end of the day, it removes really easily. As you can see, it just peels off of my hand, and that way it's so much easier. Your whole face doesn't turn black. When you're removing your makeup at the end of the day, you can say bye-bye to panda eyes. And also, if you ever make any mistakes while creating your eyeliner, which is very common, we all make mistakes, this makes it so easy to clean. And I also love how quickly it sets. You don't really have too much of a downtime to play with this eyeliner. If you are creating it, you have to work a little bit quick with it, because it just absolutely sets and does not budge, right? And then once it sets, it claims to last up to 24 hours, but I haven't really worn my eyeliner for 24 hours ever. But however, for as long as I've worn it, it just stayed put for the longest time. I have tried this for almost like 10-15 days now, and I've tried it so many times, and this eyeliner has not failed me. And for the price point, I think you get an amazing product. This is how I like to do my eyeliner. And as you can see, because of the fine tip, which is also very flexible, you can go very close to your lash line and create a very thin stroke, or I can also go very thin. If I press a little bit more, I fill in my outer section of my winged eyeliner, and as you can see, the consistency is really thick, opaque, non-patchy, and this is what the eyeliner looks like once it's dry. I was also able to create a lot of details on my inner eye corner. As you can see, I went for like a very foxy eyeliner look today, and it turned out pretty amazing. Like, see how black and dense that is. It does not also feel dry or dragging on my eyes. I can feel how weightless it is. It's not too heavy, it's not too drying on the eyes, even though this is very long lasting. You can barely feel it on your eyes. And yeah, that's all I can say about the new Lakme Eyeconic. It truly is a great eyeliner. In case you are a beginner, I think it fits your budget really well, because it's just priced at 250. And even if you are someone who has been doing makeup for a really long time and you're very comfortable doing lots of graphic liners with details, this could work very well for you because of the fine tip. If you want to check this out yourself, you can go get it at Lakme India's website. I am going to put it in my description box in case you guys want to get it yourself, and let me know what you guys think of this eyeliner in the comment section down below. I saw that it's already sold out everywhere, so I'm pretty sure most of you have tried it. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this and found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.